In a world where everything moves so fast, there's something magical about slowing down, getting your hands dirty, and connecting with the earth. Small-scale farming isn't just about growing food. It's about cultivating dreams, nurturing communities, and bringing people together. Each seed we plant is a promise, a commitment to the future. It's the belief that from something small, something mighty can grow. Just like a seedling pushing through the soil, our dreams need nurturing, care, and a little bit of patience. Small-scale farming isn't just for the seasoned grower. It's for everyone, young and old, families and friends. It's about reconnecting with nature, teaching our children where food comes from, and sharing the joy of a harvest with those we love. Farming on a small scale doesn't mean farming alone. It's about community. When we grow together, we thrive together. We exchange knowledge, share the bounty of our labor, and strengthen the bonds that hold us together. And the rewards? They go beyond just the food on our plates. It's the satisfaction of knowing where our food comes from, the pride in sharing it with our neighbors, and the impact we make on our environment by choosing to grow sustainably. Every day is a new opportunity to grow, both for our gardens and for ourselves. Small-scale farming is more than just a way to feed ourselves. It's a way to feed our souls, to inspire change, and to make a lasting impact on the world around us. So, let's plant those seeds of change. Let's nurture our dreams and our communities, one garden at a time. Because when we grow together, the possibilities are endless.